Today we're looking at the top 3 best digital pianos. I've done the research and found a set of must-have options for different needs. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or everyday use, I've got you covered. Links are below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Donner Digital Piano. Ever sat down at a digital piano and thought, this doesn't feel like the real thing? That's exactly where the DDP 100S steps in and changes the whole experience. From the very first touch, you can tell this keyboard is built to feel serious, solid, and incredibly close to an acoustic grand piano. It's not just about pressing keys, it's about building real skill, real control, and real confidence every time you play. The fully weighted hammer touch keys are designed to copy the natural resistance of an acoustic piano. Each key responds the way your fingers expect it to, which helps you build finger strength and proper technique over time. Whether you're practicing scales, learning chords, or playing full songs, your hands start to move more naturally. You don't just hear the difference, you feel it. This realistic touch makes daily practice more effective and a lot more enjoyable. Now let's talk about creativity. This piano opens up a whole world of sound and rhythm for you to explore. You get 200 different instrument sounds, 200 rhythm styles, and 100 built-in demo songs. That means you can switch from a classic piano tone to something fun and modern in seconds. Built-in tools like auto-tuning, a metronome, transposition, and MIDI in and out make practice smoother and more flexible. Whether you're learning on your own or connecting to other devices, everything feels simple and intuitive. Sound quality is another area where this piano really shines. The upgraded stereo speaker system is carefully balanced to give you a rich three-dimensional listening experience. When you play softly, the sound feels warm and clear. When you play with power, the bass comes through, deep and full. Thanks to advanced dynamic sampling, the tone changes naturally with your touch. The treble stays smooth and delicate, while the lower notes feel strong and expressive, just like a real piano. On top of all that, the DDP 100S is designed for real homes, not giant studios. It's more compact and lighter than earlier versions, which means it fits comfortably in your space without taking over the room. You can place it in a living room, bedroom, or practice corner with ease. Smash that subscribe button like you just hit the wrong key during a quiet moment. Number 2, best overall, Casio Privia Digital Piano. Ever wish your piano felt just as inspiring at midnight with headphones as it does in a full room? The Casio Privia Digital Piano is built for players who want a true piano experience without the size or stress of a traditional grand. From the first touch to the final note, it pulls you in and makes you want to keep playing, even if you only planned on a few minutes. The first thing you'll notice is the keyboard feel. You get a full 88 key setup with tri-sensor scaled hammer action. In simple terms, the keys respond the way a real piano does. Soft presses sound gentle, strong presses sound bold. The simulated ebony and ivory textures add grip and comfort, so your fingers don't slide around during long practice sessions. Everything feels natural, smooth, and surprisingly close to an acoustic piano. Now let's talk about the sound, because this is where things really shine. Casio's AR sound source recreates the depth and emotion of a concert grand piano. You hear the resonance of the strings, the subtle damper effects, and even the soft, mechanical sounds that make a piano feel alive. When you release a key, you don't just hear silence, you hear realism. It makes every performance feel expressive, whether you're practicing scales or playing your favorite song. The built-in sound system takes that realism even further. With a powerful 40-watt output and a 4-speaker sound projection system, the sound fills your room instead of staying trapped inside the piano. It feels wide, warm, and immersive. And when you need quiet time, headphone mode gives you a natural listening experience that still feels like you're playing out loud, just without disturbing anyone. If you're learning or teaching, this piano makes life easier. Duet mode lets 2 people play side by side using the same range. Dual headphone jacks mean no adapters and no hassle. You also get 60 built-in songs, a 2-track MIDI recorder to track progress, and concert play, which lets you perform along with orchestral backing tracks. Practice feels less like work and more like a performance. On top of all that, the design is clean and modern. The sleek console looks great in any room, and the sliding key cover keeps everything protected. USB MIDI connectivity makes it easy to connect to a Mac, PC, iOS, or Android device with no complicated setup. You just plug it in and start creating. By the way, which of these digital pianos would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick, Roland Digital Piano. Picture this. You sit down to play, hit the first key, and the sound just fills the room. No fuss, no setup stress, just pure music. That's the feeling the Roland FP-50 is built to give you, whether you're playing at home, practicing quietly, or performing for others. This piano carries the same acclaimed FP style that made the series a favorite around the world. It looks clean, modern, and elegant without trying too hard. More importantly, it fits easily into your life. You can move it around the house without a struggle, set it up in different rooms, or even take it out for small performances. The built-in stereo speakers deliver a wide, immersive sound that fills the space around you. Every chord feels full, and every melody feels alive. If you ever need more volume or wider sound coverage, connecting external speakers is simple. And when you want quiet time, just plug in your headphones and enjoy your music without disturbing anyone else. Even with all its advanced features, using the FP-50 never feels complicated. Everything is laid out in a clean, simple way that just makes sense. The clear display shows your sound, tempo, and other important details at a glance. Buttons are right where you expect them to be, giving you quick access to tones, favorites, transposition, and more. Many controls even have long press options, so you can save settings or adjust deeper features without digging through confusing menus. When it comes to feel, this piano really shines. Roland's supernatural piano sound engine delivers the natural response of a real acoustic grand. Play softly and you get warmth and detail. Play harder and the sound opens up with power and color. The 88 full-size keys complete the experience, featuring hammer action, escapement, and ivory feel material. Under your fingers, it feels incredibly close to sitting at a world-class acoustic piano. Want to take things further? You can sing along while you play using the built-in mic input and studio quality vocal effects. Add lush ambience, clean things up with compression and noise control, or create real-time harmonies that follow the chords you play. Feeling playful? You can even transform your voice, changing its character or turning it into something fun and unexpected. The best part is that everything you need comes in one box. You get the matching FP-50 piano stand, the KPD-73 pedal board for expressive control, a comfortable bench, a piano book, an instructional DVD, and even a polishing cloth. On top of that, Roland teams up with Pianote to offer free online piano lessons. Just register your piano and you're ready to start learning, growing, and enjoying every note. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.